So first thing we're gonna do with field science, what are field scientists or detectives good at? What's that one skill that they need to have?
Ooh. They need to be observant so they can find things.
Oh, perfect. They need to be observant, exactly. So we're gonna hone our observation skills today. And what do you think, what do we use most for observing things usually on our day-to-day? Rhiannon?
Our eyes.
Our eyes. We use our eyes all the time. So today we're gonna learn how to use our eyes even better. We're also gonna be able to use almost all of the rest of our senses. Smell, yes. Hearing, yes. What else? Hugging, feeling, yes. And we're not gonna taste a lot of things today, though. Right, yes.
Can I lick a leaf?
Lick a leaf. Only if we're 100% sure what kind of leaf it is. And also, so I'll say for kids at home, we should not be eating things at all. If your parent's there and you definitely know what it is, that's an exception. But here's a tip though, when you're out and about in parks, even when you know what something is, it may have been sprayed with a pesticide or insecticide or fungicide, so it could be sprayed with chemicals that we're not aware of. So while we're here in the park, we're not going to be eating anything. But if you're at home and your parents say it's okay, you can. Thanks for asking that question. What? You can lick it. We're not licking anything right now today. Okay.
Oh, it's so blurry. It's so small though.
Have you guys ever used a hand lens before? So there's two ways you can use them. You can hold them close to whatever it is you're wanting to zoom in, or you can do what Ian is doing and you can hold it real close to your face and then bring your object close until it becomes more. Yeah, so you can try both. That might be a little weird, but yeah, so you can hold it close to your face and then bring the object up, but sometimes you can't take the object away from where it needs to be. So in that case, you can put the lens a little bit closer to it. Okay, cool. So
I found mini pine.
Okay, so the first question is, what do you notice about your leaf?
It's green.
It's soft and dirt on it.
Okay,
Mine has a bug
keep
on
going. When you're noticing things, there's holes. Good.
Mine is green and yellow.
Mine has a bug
Green
on
and
it.
yellow colors. Has a bug on it.
It's like a U shape, like a capital U shape.
It's polka dot.
Nice. Okay, cool. I like how all of you stuck with things that you could observe with your eyes or with your hands. You didn't say anything like, I think this leaf is a maple leaf, or I think it's been here for 3 weeks, or things that you're sort of guessing at. You didn't actually observe. They're facts. Could be, yes. Inferences, we make inferences from our observations, but right now we're just making observations. Any other observations? Rhiannon, you got zoomed in really close. Okay.
I can see the veins of the
Oh, say that again?
veins of the leaf.
Oh yeah, you can see the veins. So what do you notice? Actually, let's think about those veins. What do you notice about the veins on your leaf?
They go up in a straight line and
big
then
ones and some smaller ones.
There's some like super tiny baby ones.
Mm-hmm. How does that combine with your sense of touch?
there's like 14
Like
veins
bumpy.
and they're bumpy. There's 14 veins.
So they're not like necessarily flush with the leaf, but there's some bumps.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the same on both sides?
No. Sort of.
Sort of.
This bump goes in, this one goes out.
Interesting.
Because the vein is pulling.
Okay, cool. So you can see we could go on and on with all of our observations, and we're going to continue, but the next question I want you to think about is, what'd you come up with?
40 bumpy veins.
40 bumpy veins. Okay, veins. Okay. Next question is, what does it remind me of?
A leaf.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Okay, what else? Maybe some of the specific things you noticed.
Oh, fur.
Fur. It's kind of soft and fuzzy.
Like a tree. Like the veins make a tree.
They also come from a tree.
Oh, yeah.
School
Interesting.
toilet paper that hurts.
Oh yeah, roots.
Like the school toilet paper that's like really rough.
Yeah. not like your first choice for toilet paper, but you'll use it if you need
But
to.
it's like the school toilet paper.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sandpaper.
good. So,
Sandpaper.
one thing that helps remember things effectively, one strategy, is to connect it to something that's already in your mind. So like Caitlin said, the veins remind her of an actual larger tree, right? Or it reminds you of toilet paper because it was kind of soft and sandpaper at the same time. So those are good things. It's sort of making links to memories that you already have. So that's a great way to remember your observations. And then lastly, what do you wonder about now? What are your questions? Does it make you think about
Oh, there's
anything
2 bugs on it now.
that you're not sure about? What do you wonder about? I
There are
wonder,
bugs on it. Why is it soft?
why is it
Why is it
soft?
Why does it have holes in it?
Why does it have holes in it? Why is it green?
Why is it alive?
Well, that's a bigger question, I think, than we can answer today, but these are all questions, right, that
Oh.
scientists like to discover.
I have a discovery. There's
Okay.
2 of the same type of bugs on this.
Oh, and how do you know they're the same kind of bugs?
They look exactly the same. See, there's that one,
They're twins.
and there's that one.
What do they have in common?
They look the same. They have all the dots on the back of them.
Oh, so the dot pattern is the same? And they're the same size, right? Awesome. I love where you can open up your journal to a page, and I would like for you to draw a picture of this leaf and include as many details as you can. Now, before you start drawing, can I have everybody's eyes up here? Before you start drawing, I would like for you to also think about what do scientists, do they only focus on what they can see?
No.
What other kind of information would you want to include in your field study journal?
Maybe like a diagram.
So a diagram of it, you could draw it. What's other information you might want to include?
What it feels like, what it looks like, what it
It's
smells
hard,
like.
it's hard to draw those things, right? It's hard to draw what it smells like. So maybe on the side, like, so you could draw your leaf on one side of your
Oh, I thought I
journal,
was writing, never mind.
and on the other side, you could make some notes about other observations as well.
Yeah.
And I'll come around and kind of check on you guys. I like Rhiannon is using in the artist cheat method, especially if it fits on the paper already. You might as well trace it, the outline, because you know it's going to be the right size. Okay, so take about 10 minutes to do your drawing and add some observation notes to the side. Okay, so here's the true test. When you're done writing your answers, we're going to put your leaf in the middle here and see if people can figure out which one was your leaf based on your drawing. And Caitlin's leaf.
Oh, what?
I just look on my finger.
That's unfortunate.
I think it's that one.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
Yay! So that means you guys are all successful to your observations. The other scientists could come by and know what you're talking about. Great job.